Hello friends, welcome to our new video. In today's video, we will show you how you solve different error issues while you trying to create trending Ghibli-style images with your mobile. In the previous video, I showed how you can create this type of video with your mobile. Many have been able to do it correctly, while some have had various problems. Today I will give you the solution to those problems. Watch the video completely and you will be able to solve it too. First, open the ChatGPT app from your mobile. Then upload the image you want to convert to Ghibli-style art here, and write your prompt. Now tap on the Send button. After a while, you will see an error message. The error message has come to us. In today's video, we will solve this problem. Click on the three-line button on the top left to see the menu. At the bottom, you will see your name. Click on the name to sign out of your account. Now we need to sign in with a completely new email account. We will use a temp email to do this. So I'll go to the Google Chrome browser on my mobile and search for temp mail, then I'll go to a random website. We will get the email address from here and log in to ChatGPT with that email address. Once we are logged into ChatGPT, we will set up our account. Once the account is set up, we will now try to create a Ghibli-style image again, using the same image and prompts as before. Now tap the Send button and wait a few seconds and the image will be created. Look how beautifully our Ghibli-style image was created. Friends, this way you can easily solve the problems you face in creating your Ghibli-style image. Now download the image by clicking the Save button below. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And thank you very much for watching the full video.